Alright everybody, it's round 3. We got the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. My personal favorite. Hopefully there's a couple people out there that it's their favorite as well. The flavor is just... it's there. Definitely there. Texture is pretty sweet. Got that. It's got that texture, you know. If you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? For me, I like the crunch. I like there to be somewhat of a crunch and sogginess. You know, I get a little, you know. That's just me. How many bowls? 2 plus, 100%. Never gonna just have one and then quit. At least 2. You know. Special tips. No, not really. It's perfect already. Nothing to make it better, you know. My score is a perfect 10. It would be the only 10 where I'm telling that. It's a 10. It's a 10. I'm gonna finish this bowl because it's good.